This looks terrifying. A man revving a chainsaw right beside a cow. But wait, hold up. Hit that subscribe if your heart just melted for this cute little puppy. My kitty's not feeling well. Please drop a heart or kind word to send her love. The sound of the chainsaw made everyone panic. But the truth? He was actually saving the poor cow. Her head got stuck in a tree branch, and the man carefully cut it away until she was finally free. What looked scary turned out to be an act of kindness.